Okay, welcome back guys. In this video we are going to learn how to create a free logo. So go to your browser and visit this website www.lugasta.com. okay, when you visit this website, all you just have to do is sign up, and then let me go back to the front page. Okay, this is the front page. All you need to do is sign up, and after signing up you have the ability to create a logo. Now you need to enter at least 3 characters of your logo or your company name. I've chosen Aspire as my company name. Just going to click on create logo. Wait for it for a couple of seconds. It's going to generate a bunch of logos. Okay, and then from this drop down list you can choose what your company is all about, and then to try to generate a different kind of logo for you, let me just scroll down and let's say this is a law, banking or insurance company. You can also choose color schemes if you want. It's wonderful, but you can leave it because all the colors are selected, but you can select individual colors that you want it to create, or you can just select all and see what it comes up with. Then click on create again and to generate different sets of logos. Now you can scroll down and check for the one that interests you the most. I'm just gonna go for a very simple logo. Okay, still don't see what I like. I'm going to click on show more. Give it some time to generate some more logos. Okay, let me see. I'm just gonna settle with this. Not the best logo, but not to waste so much time. Click on preview logo. Okay, and then you can scroll down a bit. Let's see if you like. Actually, they give you a full branding in case you want to pay for it, but we are more focused on just getting the logo. We're not interested in the full branding. So click on download and wait for it. I'm gonna ask you to choose a plan. Let's hold on. Give it some time. I think my internet connection is a bit slow today. Wow, my internet is really slow today. Must be with the weather. Okay, now you can see you can even brand a t-shirt, complimentary card, a cup and a mug and a lot of things. Okay, but all I just want is the logo, so I'm just going to click download logos, and then they're gonna try to bill me, but I don't want to pay for the logo, so I'm just going to scroll down and click on can I download the logo for free? Sure. Just click on this link here. They're going to give you a small version of the logo, low resolution version of the logo, but that will do for this project. So click on OK to download, and then just copy it to my desktop. As we are done here, now paste it. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to resize this logo to fit in for this our theme. So I'm going to right click on it and click on edit. If you're on a Mac, if you're on a system that uses a Mac operating system, just find a very simple, I think you have a software to edit, to resize rather. Now all I'm just gonna do is I'm going to try to crop this image, and get only what I need. Now I still have to resize this image to be like about 250. Let me see what's the size again. So I'm gonna do 250 and I'm going to do 60. Sorry, need to detach the chain here. I'm gonna do 250 by 60. Okay, and I'm going to save it. Now if you look at it, we have a very nice logo, okay, and that's how simple it is to create a logo. Okay, in the next video we're going to add this logo to our website. Okay, so see you in the next video.